This is the installation instructions for our steering damper for FL Softail models. You first start off with unloosening the bolt from the bottom of the triple tree. We provide two bolts, one with the finer thread and one with the coarse thread. Please make sure you know what type of threads you have for your headlight mount. We are now ready to install the bracket. Please make sure the notch side is facing inward. Fit the bolt with the appropriate washers and bolt it onto the bottom of the triple tree. Now we could unbolt the bolt that holds the highway bar to the frame. Okay, now we could use the supplied curved bracket and mount it on to the highway bar and the frame. Fasten it with the bolt behind it. We have supplied two different lengths of bolts to bolt on the steering damper. Please use the shorter one to bolt on to the highway bar. We have also supplied a few spacers. Please use the least amount of spacers to give enough clearance and movement. We've used one spacer for this model. We are now ready to bolt the damper to the front of the triple tree. Again, please use the least amount of spacers to give you enough clearance but also enough room to move around. For this application we've used two spacers. Also, since there is no lock nut available for the front, please apply some thread lock to keep the bolt fastened and tightened and will not loosen during vibration. Now we can put the lock nut onto the bolt for the highway bar. Make sure the bike steering is turned all the way to the right and leave about 1/8 inch of play on the damper. Now we could tighten the clamp on the damper using an Allen key screw. Our steering damper is fully adjustable. If you turn clockwise, it will tighten the stiffening, and if you turn counterclockwise, that will loosen up the stiffening.